Possession 1. Next possession black. Next possession black. Arnie Bautista on top. Take the 3. Money! Unang butas. Okay. Arnie. Assist. Assist dribbling the ball. Assist. Assist on top. Assist. To Vince Azul. To Cristobal. Cristobal. Who's the ball? To Assist. Assist. Got a block. Arnie got a loose ball. Arnie dribbling the ball. Takes the 3 again. Miss it. Rebounded by Assist. Assist. There's a foul. Who's the foul, right? 6-5 foul.
Dapat
First foul, first foul. And first 65, Taranda. Assist. Assist, dribbling the ball. Assist on top. To Cristobal. Miss the shot. Another shot. Miss the shot again. Too close for Coco by Cristobal.
Fernando shot.
Castres. To Banyana takes a shot. Easy shot by Banyana.
Wala na pa.
Nothing but net. 5-0. Spike it low. Assist. On top. Assist. Looking for a cutter. Fortaleza. To Pizza Azul. Scramble for the loose ball. Fortaleza. To Cristobal. Takes a shot. Miss again. Rebounded by Castres. To Fernando. Marandang. To Banyana again. Easy shot again by Banyana. 7-0. There's no defense. Hold by committing. 7-0. Assist dribbling the ball. Assist got hit in the eye. Fix the soul on top. Stop the clock. Just second. What's the call, ref? Pahinga? Ano yung una? Ayusin muna yung mata mo.
Substitution, sub.
Okay, start. Okay, side ball.
Panalo. Ayos
Control it.
Kelsey ron.
Nice ball, ref. Oh, start the clock. Start the clock. There you go.
Wala kasi si Uka.
Fortaleza. Out there by Fernando.
Wala si Uka.
Fortaleza again. Takes a shot. In and out. Out there by Carandan. To Bautista. Bautista, the stretch team. Bautista. Passes to Castres. Castres takes a shot. Nothing but empty. Tarandang. Ay, Ayan, Tarandang. Fernando, lose the ball. Fernando, nasa naman. Sabi ni Edward, it's called Podo. Lose the ball. Last 1:45 seconds. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 7-0. Empty possession by the Black King. 7-0. Fortaleza, it's Azul. Pass it. There's a foul. 33 foul. 2 shots. Castres foul. Free throw, second team foul. 1 minute and 18 seconds left. First ball by the Black Team. 7-1. 1 minute and 9 seconds left. 7-1. Second shot. 7-2. Perfect 2 points. Free throw by Assis. Castres dribbling the ball. 7-2. Castres. 52 seconds left. Ubanyana. Marandang takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Assis. 3-on-1 situation. Oh, what a loose ball on a 3-on-1 situation by the Black Team. 35 seconds left. 35 seconds left. Second step. Resting. Resting takes a three. In and out. There's a foul. 6-4 foul. Number 64 foul, Fortaleza. 10 seconds left. Free throw. 6 seconds left. Shoot. 8-2. Another shot. Another shot. 9-2. Perfect free throw. Bayo Banyana. Intercepted. Not assist. Next possession one. Assist. Assist. To Pizza Sul. Pizza Sul. Pizza Sul right. Miss it. Bye. Nowhere. 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 With the ball. To Solano. Solano. Solano to. No, Manuel. Manuel. Black. Castres. Castres. To Castres. To Castres. Miss the shot. Rebounded by assist. Assist. On the lane. Assist. Assist on the low. 2 points. 9-4. 9-4. Castres dribbling the ball. Castres. Castres dribbling the ball. Solano. Solano. Castres. To Solano. Solano takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Pitts. To assist. Assist. Leon. One situation again. Got the loose ball by assist. Assist. Dribbling the ball. Assist to Andy. Andy. Oh, loose ball. White ball. Empty possession by Black. Noel dribbling the ball. Noel. Noel in the middle. Noel in the middle. Noel. Noel to Peko. Peko. Peko Pitts. Got the ball by assist. Assist. To Cristobal. To Pitts Azul. Oh, wala. Tinira mo. Castres. Castres Solano. Solano missed the shot. Oh. Blacko. Blacko. Assist. Assist ruining the ball. 9-4. 5-point lead by the white team. Andy. Andy breaks. Nice pass. Oh, missed by Mitsu. Miss again by Mitsu. Miss again by Mitsu. What that shot? There's a foul. May takip yata rin. Who's foul, right? Manuel, 37. 2 shots, rep. 2 shots. 9-4. First free throw, nothing but net by Pitts Azul. 9-5. 9-5, pare. Score. 9-5. 9-5. 9-6, nothing but net. Called by Pitts Azul. Pitts Azul is in the zone. 3-point game. It's a 3-point game. Castres to Noel. Lose the ball. Oh, it's Blacko. Pero got tripped by himself. Andy to assist. Assist. Oh, it was by Castres. Castres bring the ball. To Peko. Oh, it's intercepted by Blackin. How did by Castres?
Lalawin mo na.
To Pitts Azul. What a pass. Oh, who's ball right? It's white ball. Intercepted by the white team. 9-6. 1 minute and 35 seconds to go. 9-6. One possession game. Manuel, dribbling the ball. Whoa! Manuel, dribbling. How did by number 12? Wow, what a defense. What a defense by Black team. Solano, easy shot. 11-6. 5-1 game. Azul. Face Azul to Cristobal. There's a one shot. Made by Cristobal. Cha-ching, cha-ching. 11-8. 11-8. One possession game. 1 minute to go. 60 seconds. Seconds to go. Peko. Peko to Castres. Peko. Castres take a shot. What a shot turnaround by Big Castres. Number 25, 2 points. 45 seconds left. To Vince Azul. Vince Azul. Vince Azul dribbling the ball. Vince Azul. Vince Azul. Fix. Oh, what a miss by Vince Azul. White ball. Tabing ni si Vince Azul. Last miss, last miss. 38. 22 seconds left, Vince Azul. 22 seconds left. Last shot. Castres. Castres double. Double dribbling the ball. Picked by Castres. What a shot and pick. Foul number 12. Go shot. Go. First quarter down. 38. Free throw by Noble. Missed the first shot. 38. Missed the first shot. Missed. 38. Make the next second shot. 48. 48 running. Tali. White ball red, second quarter. First 5 minutes. White ball. Next possession. White. Ay, black. Next possession, black. Next possession, black. Arnie takes a three. Miss it. Rebounded by Assist. Assist. Dribbling the ball. Assist. To Cristobal. Oh, what a miss by Cristobal. Arnie Bautista. Arnie Bautista. And then by Assist. Oh. Obanyana. Obanyana. Castres takes a shot. Miss it. Lako. Lako. Vince Azul. Vince Azul dribbling the ball. Vince Azul hagod by Karandang. Vince Azul to Adi. Adi to Kitan. To Assist. Assist takes a shot. In and out by Assist. In and out by Assist. Nobel dribbling the ball. Nobel. Wow, what an intercept. What an intercept. 2 points, another 2 points by Kaching-Kaching. Let's go. 14-10. Adi takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Adi. Assist. Oh, Karandang intercept to Bautista. Bautista to Obanyana. Obanyana takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Karandang. Pass to Arnie. Easy to shot by Arnie. 16-10. 6-point game. 6-point game. Assist. Assist. Dribbling the ball. Assist. Dribbling the ball. To Fortaleza. 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 Fortaleza drives. Miss it. Rebounded by Obanyana. Obanyana. To Bautista. Bautista takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Bautista again. Miss it again. Obanyana. Obanyana makes it. 18-10. It's an 8-point game. Vince Azul. Vince Azul. Vince Azul dribbling the ball. 18-10. Vince Azul. Vince Azul. Vince Azul. Wow, what a shot and cut by Cristobal. Cha-ching, cha-ching. 18-12. 18-12. Obanyana. It's Blacko. 2 minutes and 19 seconds left. 6-point game, please. 6-point game. Wala nang yung sa'yo, Pitch, ha? Lahat ng tira mo, pasok na, Pitch. Pitch. Pasok natin, ha? Cristobal.
Andy, shoot the
Fortaleza.
ball.
Fortaleza. 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 34 push. Shooting foul, shooting up, or Saibo. Saibo by called by the referee, pushing. 18-12. Arnold takes a shot. Miss it. Takes a shot. Assist. Takes a shot. 18-14. It's a 4-point game. Lacking momentum. Lacking taking momentum. 18-14. 1 minute 10 seconds left. Noel Manuel. Tuban niya na. Noel Manuel. Miss. Ubanyana takes a shot and makes it. 40, 6-point game. 13 seconds left. 13 seconds left. Assist to pitch the soul. Ayun. Fortaleza. Miss it. Noel to Ubanyana again. Ubanyana to Bautista to Noel. Noel takes a shot and makes it. 23-14. 5 seconds. Next possession bar. Doc Keaton. Sa mga kanya, hindi nakikita yung kunin. Karanta. Miss the shot. Peko. Castres. Dribbling the ball. Castres. Hounded by number 12. Castres. Number 12. There's a foul. Push. Number 12. Saibo. Too close to comfort. Sabi ng Miron. Castres to Peko. Peko to Castres. And Castres again. Takes a shot. What a cut. And shot by Castres to Castres. Erwin na. Andilahin. 25-14. It's an 11-point game. Hipólito takes a shot and makes it. What a shot by Hipólito. Nothing but net. 25-16. It's a 9-point game. It's a 9-point game. 3 minutes and 15. Peko takes a shot and makes it. 27-16. 11-point game. 3 minutes and 40. 11-point game. Andy Dukitan takes a shot and misses it. Peko. Andy Dukitan got the ball. Fortaleza, hurrying up. Fortaleza to Fortaleza, page. Fortaleza lose the ball. Fortaleza lifts it up. Wow! Fernando to Solano. What a play by Fortaleza. Solano. Miss the shot. Rebounded by Dukitan. Blackpo. What a hustle by Andy. Blackpo. Sabi niya to me. Anyways, pare. Castres to Castres. Assist to Fernando takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Peko. Blanco. Son, puro pa ito kanina. Fortaleza. To Pisa Sol. Uy. Laco. 1 minute and 55 seconds left. Hipólito. Solano. Solano din si Shaq. Miss it. Rebounded by Pegasus. Fortaleza. Fortaleza. Wow. Galing ni Castres at steal. Peko. Peko to Castres. Leonard. Castres. Castres drive. Easy shot by Castres. Easy shot by Castres. Face na to Ali. Ali dribbling the ball. Ali. Oh, what a deep set by Fernando. Galing ni Fernando. Castres. Castres to Fernando. Fernando picks. Lick it up. Listen. Picks the zone. Dribbling the ball. Picks the zone in the middle. Picks the zone. Kapunakan. To Fortaleza. Takes a three. Missed the shot. Solano. 3-on-1. Solano tinira. Missed the shot. Rebounded by Peko. Wow, play by Peko. Galing mo, Peko. 31-18. Tinaliwa.
Nuloy na siya, kala
Takes the zone. 24 seconds left. To Fortaleza. To Pizzazul. Kapunagan. Wow, miss the shot. Number 58. Kabugawan. Peko takes a shot. Wow, 2x2 by Peko. What a shot by Peko. Running shot. Left-handed by Peko. Kaya 18. White team is pulling away. Tama no? White ball, next possession lang. Karandang drives. Wow! What a drive by Karandang. 19-5, pulling away. White team pulling away. Asis. There's a foul. 6-5 foul. Sorry. Pero kasi nang bumulo dito. Kwento sa scorer. Oh, di raw. Tumayo kayo rin, no? 18-35. Assist winning the ball. Assist takes a three. Missed the shot. Noel winning the ball. Noel to Ami takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Ubanyana. It's white ball. Inbounded by Ubanyana. To Arnie fakes. Arnie to Karandang. Wow, wala rebound kay Karandang. Another shot by Karandang to Arnie. Wow, one rebound by the white team. 37-18. 3 minutes and 42. Pagod na ang black. 37-18. 37-18. Dokitan running the ball. Dokitan to Pizzazul. Wow, walang assist. Missed the shot. Ubanyana. Wow, what a rebound by Ubanyana. One kick by Ubanyana. School by Ubanyana. 39-18. Ang galing ni Coach Fernando. Assist to the ball. Karandang to Noel. Wow, what a pass break. Karandang to Noel. 41-18. What a defense. Andy Dokitan takes it up. Ubanyana. Ubanyana again. Ubanyana. Ubanyana very smart. Ubanyana very smart. Arnie, miss it. Rebounded by Asis. Asis to Ethan. Fortaleza. Takes a three. Wow. There's a foul. Number 65. 2 shots. 2 fouls. Sabit. 2 fouls, number 65. 2 fouls. Naradang. First free throw. Makes. Well, no. 1941. Missed the shot. White ball. 1941. Guerra. 1941. Karagam. Ay, Ubanyana dribbling the ball very smart. Ubanyana. To Noel. Noel takes. Noel takes. Takes a shot.
76 ano.
Black ball. Black ball. Alessa. Oh! Alessa lose the ball. Ubanyana. Ubanyana. Wow, what a play. May Ubanyana to Arnie Bautista. Easy basketball. That's an easy basketball. Pizzisul. Pizzisul to Hippolito. Makes the second fight. Fortaleza. Arnie Bautista. Arnie Bautista very smart. Arnie Bautista. Zero fake. Arnie Bautista. To Noel. Noel. On the right. Pass. To Ubanyana. Ubanyana. Travelenko. Tapo. Seconds left. 5 seconds left. 4 seconds left. 2 seconds left. Now. Ito score na kanina. Next possession. White. Amazing shot.
Kanina pa siya nagsabi ng time eh. Kanina pa nagsabi ng time. Kanina pa nagsabi ng time.
Sige. Labang na kayo. Tumatak mo na. Assist to Fortaleza. Takes a three. Miss it. Asres. Solano takes the shot. Assist. Tomo. Assist again. Assist. Fortaleza. 22-43. Money by Fortaleza. 4 minutes to go. 22-43. 21 point game. Solano takes a shot. And makes it. 45-22. Asif.
Papahilot kay Gwan. I thought it was like one order.
Double. Fortaleza toto ba ito? Azul to assist. Makes. Assist. Oh, it was definitely by Castres. What a defense by the white team. Castres pointing. Solano. Wow, what a pass by Castres. 74 foul. Lukitan. 2 fouls, Lukitan. 2 fouls. Andy, 2 fouls. Make shot by by Solano, pare. Next shot. 46-22. Matakbo. Matakbo. Warning away. Warning away, man. Miss. Rebounded by Castres. Pass and take the shot. Okay. 22. 22. Fortaleza makes a three. In and out. Assist. Makes 2 points. Assist. 24-48. 24-point game. It's only 24-point game. 2 minutes to go. Habol pa yan. 8 3 points. 24-48. One stop. What a play. White ball. 1 minute and 52. 1 minute and 52. 24-48. What a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Solano again. Solano. Fortaleza got the ball. 2, Chris. Topan. They have missed the shot by Chris. Castres. Solano. Oh, missed the shot. Dukitan to assist. 2 points by assist. 26-48. 22-point game. It's only 22-point game. Abot pa yan. 26-48. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Very smart, Castres. Milking the clock. Fernando takes a 2. Rebounded by Castres. Rebounded by assist. Lose the ball. Rebounded by assist. Assist. Fortaleza. Fortaleza. Oh, Fortaleza lose the ball. And a foul. And a foul by Fortaleza. 33 seconds left. 26-48. Hindi nabigay. Sabi ng sideline. Castres takes a shot. And makes it. 50-26. It's Azul. It's Azul to Adi Lukitan. Seconds to go. Adi Lukitan. Castres. 6 seconds to go. 4 seconds to go. Seconds to go. Fourth quarter. 26-50. 24-point game. Next possession. Fourth quarter. Go. Akin, yan. Last 10 minutes. Solano. Solano Karandang. Rebounded by Pixason. That's a foul. Third foul na. Third foul Karandang. Third foul Karandang. Foul Karandang. First team foul. Assist. Assist looking for that. Assist. To Pixason. Rounded by wow! What a shot by Pixason. Momentum shot by Pixason. 50-28. Mahabol na. 50. Sabi. 50-28. Sige, dyan ka lang. 50-28. 50-28. 22-point game. 22-point game. Karandang. Solano. Miss the shot. Rebounded by assist. Ball. Wow! Momentum. It's a 20-point game. Okay lang. 50. 8 minutes, 53 seconds. Mahaba pa posisyon. Double-team. Wow, walang pass. Dribble si assist. Assist. Wow, what a shot by assist. 30-15, 6 run by the Blackin. Humahabol. It's an 18-point game. 18-point game. Kapag yan ang predictable. Pare, 32 MVP. 32 a foul. Time out. White. Time out. Usap niya. Pare, magsap niya yung mga magsasap.
Rolling, graduate. Rolling,
Time out eh.
graduate.
Time out eh. Time out. Time out.
Fortaleza, 5 pounds.
Time out, stop. Time out eh. Time out. Time out, fight. Time out, fight. Time out, fight. Gugulo. Gugulo yung kalbo. Kalbo ka na, gugulo ka pa. Nakakalbo tuloy yung dami lalo. Okay. Okay. Iba, there you go. 32-80, 18 point game. Only 18 point game. Joel. Wow! 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 Correct. White ball. White ball. Noel Manuel. Noel takes the shot and makes it. Takbo. Pinapos. Takes the soul. 2:52. 7 minutes 36. To Hipólito. Hipólito. To fix the soul. To assist. There's a foul.
45.
Shooting foul. Masama ka. Basta nga dito. Hindi ka nasali. Hindi ka nasali. Oh! 1 point. 73-52. Hindi ka nasali yan. Ipusa ka lang dito. Magulo ka lang. Pagka sa text, wala ka. Go! Take it dyan! Wow! Wala rebound! Take the soul! To assist! Assist momentum! Black momentum! To Fortaleza! Takes a three! Wow! 56-52! 16 point! 16 point game! 16 point game! Ami Bautista! Ami Bautista! Ano ba yung Fortaleza? Fortaleza! To Banyana! Sabing! Sige! Banyana! To Fortaleza! Pero, what a back shot! The back is open by Ami Bautista! 6 minutes to go! Only 18-point game! Pitches, assist! 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 Assist to Pitch Azul! Pitch Azul! To Fortaleza! Fortaleza! There's a foul. Sabing, rep. Sabing. It's only 18-point game. 5 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Fortaleza holding the ball. Fortaleza to Pitch Azul. There's a foul. Sabing. Black ball. Warning for penalty ang white. Warning for penalty ang black. Ang white pala, ang white. Warning for penalty ang white. Stop the clock. Okay, stop na. 18-point game. Pitch the soul from the corner to assist. What a shot by assist. Oh, this by assist. Very important free throw. There you go. 38-54. Penalty ng white ha. Penalty ng white. Mga black team. Penalty ng white. Walang foul ang black. Walang foul ang black. Clean. What a shot by Peko. 2 points. Nahuli ni Castres. Castres dribbling the ball, takes the shot. Wow, what a shot by Castres. Easy too. Assist. Wow. Azul. Wow. Block by Castres. Sub, rep. Sub. Sabing. Pangingin na. Buwan na.
Castres brothers in the court.
Assist! Wow, what a big by assist! Penalty na. Shooting foul. Sales of 3 fouls. Ngalis lang daw, Castres Brothers, Castres on the floor. 1 point by assist. 39-58. It's only 19-point game. Violation. Ang galing dito kita. Ang galing dito kita. Did I 58? I didn't get them. To Fortaleza kalapit. Fortaleza. To Adil Lukitan. Azul. That's a foul. Azul. Galing lipit si Sul. Bumili ng foul. Ako ng foul. Parang di Azul, kulay puti. Professional ng kulay puti. Wow! 58. It's only 80-point game. 17-point game. Good shots by Pix Azul. Nothing but net. Castres, all alone. No defense. That's the defense. No defense. Castres, dos.
Hello, kapatid. No problem.
Noel Pace. To Peko. Peko takes a shot. Wow! What a shot by Peko. What a shot by Peko. Fortaleza takes a 3. Miss it. Assist. Takes a 2. 43-60. Right ball. Dos. Hindi kayo mananalo pag hindi pinapatay ng defense ng point guard. Initik na lang, wala na, ubos ang oras. It's 3 minutes to go. Ubos na.
Ayaw walang
Wow! What a Castres for Castres. Castres. Sticky. Castres OLGC. Right Castres. 3-6. Fortaleza to assist. Oy! Dukitan dyan na mo. Dukitan! Wow! Dukitan. May tama si Dukitan.
Hello, kapatid.
Dos. To Castres. What? Parang manok. It's Azul. Fortaleza takes a 3. In and out. 43-62. 1 minute and 55. It's a 19-point game.
Mercy.
Castres, less surely dribbling the ball is around. Peko. Peko. Peko, Peko. Castres. Castres. To Castres. Assist. Assist. Sabing. Penalty, rep. Penalty, rep. Yung black team, wala pang foul. Sabing. Wala pang score yun. One point by assist. Another 1 point. 45-62, 17-point game. It's only 17-point game. 1 minute and 29 seconds.
3 points. Para game over.
122. Pointing. Castres. Maranda. What a pick and roll. What a shot. What a play by the White team. Pick and roll. That's a pick and roll basically. Assist again. Takes the shot. Penalty. 1 minute and 1 second. 61 seconds left. Technically 61 seconds left. 45-64. In and out. Wala ba eh? Karandang ganda rebound.
Pelinag.
Huwag ka karandang.
Time.
Scout kasi yung pumausap eh. Saan? Magulo ka ang scout. Castres takes a shot. Rebounded by Fernando. Oh! Assist. This is the shot. Rebounded by Castres. That's the play by myself. By us. Castres.
Merci.
Assist to Fortaleza. Fortaleza takes a 3. In and out. Done. That's it.
Fifty-six to 6:45.